Good morning, everybody. Sorry it took me a minute to do that. I was filling my water bottle up because I know there's a chance that Pat might authorize some hydration today, and I do need some hydration. Who do we have first in the chat? We get Dark Bro first and second. Dark Bro, Lyman Dave, Dark Bro, Lyman Dave, Dark Bro, Frank, Lyman Dave, Slayer. What's going on? Frank, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Frank, CD Wit, Frank. We get CD Wit, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, CD Wit, Dark Bro, Kevin. What's going on, man? Dark Bro, CD Wit, Frank CFV. We've got Moji, Frank, Dark Bro, Moji, Kevin. We got Dark Bro, Missing Link, Dark Bro, Slayer, Moji, Gypsy, the franchise, Kalani, Kevin, and Kalani. What's going on, everybody? Glad to have all you guys in here right now. Let's check these markets out and see what we got going on. FTX admits fraud, as they should, dude. They already know. AMC in the top left, soaring, flying. AMC sitting at $8.33 today. It is up 15% after dropping back down from almost $9 per share. My goodness, AMC looking good. Don't know how those covered calls are looking there, Frank. Hopefully they're okay, man. Because you got some puts, right? Shiba Inu coin sitting at $9.18 right now. GameStop sitting at $26.50. Bitcoin sitting at $16,975 at the moment. It is down slightly today. The NASDAQ getting hit, not very hard, but getting hit today. Down 0.25% after yesterday's massive 4% rally. Bureau Therapeutics sitting at $24.80, AMC $8.26, Ethereum, Shiba, Doge, and Bitcoin all in the red right now. Sundial sitting at $2.80, Mullinato 21 up 10% today, CEI 10.96 cents, The SPY sitting at $4.06, BBIG 68 cents, Highcraft Mining 70 cents per share. My goodness, is this a recent low? Oh no, 54 cents. 54 cents for High. That was low for Highcraft. Netflix sitting at $315. Could you imagine, like, AMC lost, gosh, almost $20 million. Netflix sitting at $315 right now. Terra Luna Classic. Ooh, Terra Luna Classic turning up a little bit. Sitting at $16,808 at the moment. Terra Luna Classic up 2%. QQQ $292. Ape sitting at $105 at the moment, down from $113 a little bit earlier today, but up from the 90 cents that it was touching yesterday. Crazy action going on with a lot of volatility today, so hopefully it all works out well. I do not know why I'm frozen there. Hopefully that comes back, and it did. Very good, man. Very good. Evening from the UK. Rich, man. Good morning from Ohio. Sam Bankman said he's down to his last 100,000. No, he's down to his last 100,000 that he wants you to know about, man. That he wants you to know about. Those guys always have money hidden somewhere. They've always got money hidden somewhere, man. He is not down to his last 100,000. Feels like a good day to short Bitcoin. It does feel like a good day to short Bitcoin, man. It does feel like a very good day to short Bitcoin today. What is this doing here? I'm actually short on Mask right now. I shorted Mask this morning at a little over $4. And it's sitting at $3.97 right now. So I am up slightly on Mask right now. Not a huge amount, but it has exceeded a lot of the other gains in the crypto space. So it was up, gosh, dude. 2 days ago, it was at like $2.50. Today, it's at $4. It's exceeded the gains in the crypto space. So looking for a little bit of a pullback on Mask there. I did short some of that this morning, so we'll see how that plays out. But yeah, could be a good day from yesterday's gains on the Federal Reserve announcement. Could be a good day to bounce off that resistance. Remember, you look at that resistance level there. If it doesn't break up through this 17, starts to bounce back down into this channel, this could be the channel that we're looking at here. If not, I mean, 17.5 might be on the table for Bitcoin if it does continue higher, but this is the level of resistance that we've seen over the last couple of weeks playing out. And kind of just trending at the moment. Let's see. Luna news. Anything besides the developers want money like how everyone wants? Gypsy. So not really, man. The latest proposal that they've got out there is to take 50% of everything that's burned and give that to the community pool. Other than that, other than that, like the Binance burns that came in today, the Binance burns were pretty good. They were almost $2 million in Binance burns. and with 6.4 billion Terra Luna Classic that got destroyed today. So no, aside from that, there's not much going on in the Terra Luna Classic space, except, dude, the price is looking pretty good right now. The price is rallying over the last, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes here, going from 16 flat to 17. So not a bad gain in Terra Luna Classic over the last 15, 20 minutes there. Looking pretty good in the bottom left for a second. Victor, tomorrow. It's always tomorrow. What's up, y'all? What's going on, Victor? How you doing, man? Let's see. Forgot a few zeros. Probably 100. Yeah, he did forget a few zeros. He's down to his last 100. And he ain't talking thousands. Hoorah! Bought 10 puts at $6.50 for tomorrow. 0.25 cents each. Small lottery ticket. $8.50 cash or covered calls. I've got room to push out another week and bank another 32 cents per contract. $7 cash secure puts. Looking safe. Nice, man. Very nice. And yeah, if it does fall down, man, you're going to be looking pretty good with those puts you bought for 2.5 cents. Dude, if we get a decline similar to yesterday's rally, dude, I'm telling you what, man, you're going to be very, very lucrative. Hello, everyone. Need a lot of energy to make an entrance. A chill day, though. Yes. It's 29 degrees outside today. Hopefully, Chris, you are not working outside today. And if you are, man, you're finding a way to stay warm. They went 10%, another 50. Oh, wow, Luna's becoming a cash grab. Well, they want to change the 10% to 50%. So I mean, technically they're not keeping 10 and asking for another 50. They're wanting to change the 10% to 50%. So, like, for example, today with the Binance burn. Binance burned $1.2 million. It's like 1.189 or something. It burned $1.2 million. $120,000 is going to go to the community pool. They want a little over $500,000 just from Binance's burns, man. Think about how much money you're ripping over the next couple months if you rip $500,000 a month from Binance. Hold around there, dude. You short Bitcoin because it's going down in an early round. Bitcoin going down, swinging. Bitcoin throwing some purple lines on the chart right now, guys. We'll watch that play out. I mean, it's not coming down that much. The chart is zoomed in right now, so it's like a $50 decline that we're watching take place there. Still waiting for my shirt or wrench. Yes, Victor, you're going to be getting a shirt, dude. I don't know about the wrench, but shirt, yes. I want 3%. 3%? Dude, get a proposal out there, man. Maybe somebody will vote for it. I would say 3% is better than 10%. Yes, Clay, working outside. It actually felt worse yesterday. Also, do machines get cold? Nope. Machines don't have feeling. They can get cold, yes, but they don't have feeling. Yeah, yesterday was windy, though, Chris. I don't know if today's windy or not, but yesterday was crazy windy and in the 30s. I don't really hear as much wind as I did yesterday, so I'm assuming it's not as windy today, but it is colder today. It's showing 29 degrees right now. Bro, took out my trash last night barefoot in like 2 feet of snow, then laid down in it afterwards. I'm Alaskan. This dude's nuts, man. Well, now we know that Alaskans are kind of strange people, man. Walking outside in a barefoot, 2 feet of snow, like... Strange behavior there, Dark Bro. Strange behavior. You sound like a guy with strange behavior. I don't know. He's not good walking around barefoot in snow. MACD just crossed on AMC. Is that what we were looking at? Across the, I don't even know which MACD you're using, man. I can put it on if you guys want to see whether it crossed or not. But I don't know which chart you're using and all that. So if you want to let me know, we can look at it. But MACD just crossed on AMC, I would assume. I'm strange. We know this. All right, dude. At least we know because it's strange behavior to walk around barefoot in snow. That's just crazy. Good morning, everybody. King Mamba, good morning to you. It feels good. It's revitalized. Dude, it sounds like it would feel terrible. Then you're going to go in and sit by the fire for like 3 hours and melt your feet because they're frozen to death. Anyone see the interview with SBF? How did that guy even run an exchange? Blows my... You know what, Lonnie? I haven't seen the interview yet. I do want to watch it. But it does blow my mind. Listen, I have no doubt in my mind after looking at the dudes that made a multi-billion-dollar coin in SafeMoon, after looking at Shiba Inu coin, right? Nobody even knows who these developers are, and it's a multi-billion-dollar coin. Looking at Sam Bankman-Fried, looking at, the CEO of Voyager. There's literally, I could go get some random dude off the street, and he would easily be able to run a multi-billion-dollar project in the cryptocurrency space based on everything that we've seen happen. It raises the question to me, why don't we do it? Why don't we try? I mean, in all honesty, if we are just honest, you're almost guaranteed success. You know what? Like, if you're just honest, maybe you don't rise up to a $30 billion exchange. Maybe, who the heck needs a $30 billion exchange anyway? But if you're just honest, you're already better than 99.9% of the projects and exchanges that are out there. You're already winning if you have good intentions. I guarantee the 48 of us, I guarantee with the diverse set of skills that the 48 of us have, we could easily run a $100 million coin, $100 million chain, $100 million token, $100 million project. I guarantee that we can do it based on everything I've seen in the crypto space. The only thing is, we haven't done it. That's all we have to do is do it. And if you are skeptical, honestly, take a minute to look at some of these other projects. Take just a minute to look at some of these billion-dollar projects that are out there. And your mind will be, like, if you do not believe in yourself, look at those that you do believe in. And you'll realize that you are much more capable than they are. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Go ahead, bro! It's time for Bro Coin. Fate is calling us as everything falls down. It may be time for Bro Coin, dude. It may be time for some sort of a project that simply has good intentions. It simply has good intentions, man. I think that you are... I think if you're already ahead of the game, if that's you. Patrick! On that note, we got a super chat from Pat that says, ooh, boom, baby. After all that yelling, you need a little bit of water. Ooh, Pat, man, what do we got here? Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee, Pat, dude. Thank you. Very much. For the authorized hydration, dude. Loving it right now. Pat, Dark Bro, thank you guys very much. Sam Bankman-Fried should be Sam Bankman imprisoned. I honestly, I don't think he's going to be in prison, man. I honestly don't think he is. I think that he has padded the pockets of enough people that they're not even going to investigate him. I really do. That's bad. Right? That's bad, but I really think that he's paid off the people that he needed to pay off, man. Wow, old rounder. Terra Luna Classic is on a little tear right now. Kind of makes me want to... can't really say, kind of makes me want to short Terra Luna Classic, but dude, this is a very large gain, outpacing the rest of the crypto space. So, interesting that we've got some major buying activity going on, and I wonder if it's on news of the Binance burns right now. But bringing this bad boy back down to 17.6 down to 16 would be a 10% decline. So, Terra Luna Classic up 10% over about the last half hour or so here. Terra Luna Classic, tearing it up. Terra Luna Classic, gonna go up. Oh yes, not a 3-putting, because it's cold AF and windy. How about you, Senior Tour Professional? Rip a Tumoji. 2 foot of snow here. Going to be shoveling all day. Dude, 2 foot of snow is ridiculous. Take a look at LUNC. Oh yeah, sorry. We got LUNC down at the bottom left right now. It is looking nice. Shot of the moon, check the market. Heck yeah, Maniac, Terra Luna Classic, looking pretty good right now. Yesterday, 2 economists from the European Central Bank predicting that Bitcoin a downfall and taking it all with it. My belief, they're just saying this to lure people out of crypto to save their own fiat system. One, yes, Lorenzo, I do agree with that. One, and then the second one is not necessarily so that they can create their own crypto, but so that they can get in. and get some more gains, right? It's a tactic. It is a FUD tactic. And creating that fear, uncertainty, and doubt around it so that they can drive the price lower and then get in. The government wants to own some crypto, man. They want to own those assets. They want to make as much money as possible. That would be like me having a platform, and if instead of 100,000 people with 2,000 people watching videos right now, if I had hundreds of millions of people, just so they could listen in like the European Central Bank does. Literally hundreds of millions of people, if not billions, right? Billions could be affected, but I don't think billions of people actually care about the European Central Bank, or any bank for that matter. Hundreds of millions of people being told that crypto is going to nothing, will believe that crypto is going to nothing. They will sell, the prices will come down, and then the European Central Bank can absolutely rip profits on that, man. 70 degrees and sunny here. Mo G, man, you got an extra room? It's 30 degrees outside, 29 degrees outside right now. Give it an hour, it will come back down. Yeah, dude, so we call it shorten it right here. It's 17.5, so wouldn't be a bad idea, but it's on its way back down right now. It could come down just as fast as it went up. Sam Bankman, 6 feet under YouTube. This is a joke. Oh, he's telling YouTube it's a joke. Yes, it is a joke, YouTube. So get off Frank's back. LUNC, 23 soon. Richie Rich, I hope so, man. RBIF went up 40% in the last hour. RBIF. I don't know what RBIF is. Ooh, nice. Take a look at that. Mask is actually coming back down a little bit more, too. I'm short on Mask right now. At I think 404, 406 or something like that. Oh, Robo Inu. This is what you made me look at the other day, right? 42. Yeah, it is, man. It is. Now, you got some resistance in this area on the 3-month graph, okay? Boom, tap in here. Boom, tap in here. Boom, tap in here. And boom, tap in here. So just know that you got some resistance in this area right here. If you are profitable on this coin, I would protect some profit, right? A lot of you may be thinking that RBIF could come back up to here, and it could, but it's highly unlikely during a bear market, man. Highly unlikely to make these ridiculous gains unless something is being manipulated. And I want to ask you guys, if any of you trade on KuCoin or some of these little platforms, have any of you like seen or know anything about why some of these little coins just spike up in value around 6 p.m. Eastern time? It's almost like clockwork, man. Do you know if there's any groups that are out there like specifically manipulating the prices of these $1 million or less cryptocurrencies around 6 p.m.? Because I would like to take advantage of it. If they're going to be doing it, man, we might as well buy in. So if any of you guys know anything about that, I've noticed over the last week, it's almost like clockwork. Every day between 6 and 7 p.m., you got these tiny little cryptocurrencies jumping up 100 to like 70 to 100% in value, and it happens almost the same time every night. Let's see. Hola, 75 degrees here, Mexico on the beach. Gracias for the stream, Crypto Greg. Dang, dude, 75 degrees, sunny on the Mexican beach right now. Crypto Greg is living the life. Neo going to run like Tesla did in 2020. Aleman Jolet. I don't know, but if it does, it's not going to do it during a bear market, man. I'm highly doubtful that it's going to do it during a bear market. SPF, 6 feet under, fund joke. Patrick, thank you very much for letting YouTube know that we are starting the SPF 6 feet under fund joke. It's a joke, YouTube. It's a joke, man. It's a joke. Thank you very much, Patrick, for that. And allowing YouTube to double know that it is a definite joke. YouTube is a joke. Calm down. YouTube does not know how to chill. YouTube has no chill, man. I'm telling you that. YouTube has no chill. We're probably shadow banned right now. Let's see. SPF, new mint crook coin. And some people would buy it. Some people would buy it, man. I'm telling you. Yep. And Klee doing the same thing. Klee? I don't know about Klee either. Klee Kai, huh? Klee Kai. I don't even think I've ever even seen this coin, man. Dude, look at this all-time graph here. I can't even count those zeros. But look at this bull market, dude. These bull markets are insane, aren't they? Look, I don't even know how much money you would have made here. I have no idea. No idea how much you would have made during that bull market. That's nuts, man. It's absolutely nuts. 393. I want to see mask go down, actually, because I'm shorting it right now. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll keep an eye on it, man. I'd love to know, too. We would all love to know. Because if we know, then we can take advantage of it. So if anybody does know something, spill the beans right now, man. Spill the stinking green beans right now. Let us know. Hey, and if you guys want to look at it, download KuCoin. If you want to use my link, absolutely. But study it for a while. See if you guys notice any patterns, okay? Because here's the thing. If it's just organic growth and there is no pattern, we'll be able to determine that there's no pattern. So don't go looking for a pattern that doesn't exist. But watch it for a while. And because here's the thing, because if it is some sort of manipulation, the way that you're going to be able to do so is to have a group of people with a lot of money that go in, buy, and then dump. So some of the stuff that I've noticed so far is that it takes place usually between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern time, and usually the pump lasts for about an hour, and then the dump lasts for about an hour. So you've got about an hour-long period where you can get in. And good ways to spot these gains are that they usually occur on massive volume spikes. And they usually jump up very quickly to the gainers list on KuCoin there. So by the time you get 1, 2, maybe 3 5-minute bars on elevated volume and a 20+% gain, it's not necessarily too late to get in, but it's a pretty good indicator that something's happening there. And if these are orchestrated events, you have to think that humans are coming up with them. So what these humans would be saying to each other is, okay, you guys know the time frame. We've done this before. Get in, get out, hit it like a bank heist. And if we could just spot the bank that they're going to be hitting, you could partake in it, right? You can just partake in the run. And come on, man, what is going on with this camera? You can partake in the run there. So if we know that it does happen, if you guys notice these patterns too, and you say, okay, it does happen between 6 and 7 p.m. Eastern time, we just have to figure out which coin or coins it's going to be. Where does the heist take place? Dude, just jump on for the ride up. Get off before they might start getting out. Be conservative. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie Point Break, right? But you never get greedy. You want to make sure you go in, get the job done, and get right out. Keep everybody safe on the way. Dude, you might be onto something, and I can notice patterns, but 70 of you guys out there can absolutely, there's, 140 different eyes out there. It's better than my 2 eyes. So if you guys can notice a pattern, even if you don't want to trade on KuCoin, even if you just want to go watch these tiny little coins that seem to every evening go on a little bit of a run and a little bit of a rally, you might notice something that I don't. Share it here because there's way too much money to be made on these tiny little coins. If you look at the overall crypto market, look, everything's following everything. Bitcoin looks like this. Shiba looks the exact same way. Or Dogecoin looks the exact same way. Shiba looks the exact same way. Ethereum looks the exact... Look, you can't even tell the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum here. Look, there's no difference. They all have the same exact movement. These little coins, dude. I still think these little coins are manipulated, and we can absolutely take advantage of it. Joke, not a heist, nor financial advice. Absolutely. Guys, it is not financial advice, but there is pattern recognition in trade because these humans could be trading it, right? And if it is a heist of some sort, if it is manipulation of some sort, the humans behind it will show a pattern. If we can recognize the pattern, invest at your own will, but swim at your own risk, right? Approaching Epic Particle in Royal Rumble. 750,000 experience points, smoking it. How many experience points do I have? Like 4? Man, Moji is getting good at that game. Binance burned 6.4 billion. Terra Luna Classic. Yes, Mellow Yellow. Binance burning a lot of Terra Luna Classic. They thought the next POS bull run March 2023. So Spike. Actually, I think it could take a little bit longer for the bull run to begin. So was it Old Rounder? Who was talking about it yesterday with the Januaries being the lows? So we looked at it yesterday, and I'll quickly recap it for you, okay? I'll quickly recap it for you. Dang it, that was down to 393. Now it's back up a little bit. If you look at Bitcoin right here, and you go out to the all-time graph, you can see that the bear market. Come on. Why are you not zooming in? There you go. This rally in 2015, okay, this rally at the end of 2013 into 2014 here, resulted in, it happened at the end of 2013. The low happened in roughly January of 2015. So a full year bear market. You move to the next rally, 2017. We ran at the end of 2017, bottomed at the beginning of 2019, okay, January of 2019, bottom era in here, and then traded sideways again for a 2-year period. 2-year period here, trade sideways. Well, 1 full year period, but 2 years between the runs. And then at the end of 2020, running again. If the same exact pattern took place, we would be bottoming sometime around the beginning of 2023. But we would enter an accumulation phase where there was no real rally for another year. So it could be sometime at the end of 2024 when we would see the massive rally take place. Now, of course, you could trade these stagnation periods down here. But if that's the case, if it happens the exact same way that it's happened both times in the past, you're going to want to have a bullish sentiment. So you're going to want to trade to the upside with a bias to the upside there, and stack coins to hold as well if you are trading. Otherwise, accumulating is the name of the game there. But if it plays out the same exact way that it has both times in the past, yes, we could be entering a bottom here in the next month or two, and we're not going to see the explosive gains that we want. People are going to get bored because the price is going to stay relatively stagnant and relatively sideways. But, dude, 2 years from now, when the bear market cycle ends and the bull market rally could begin based on the previous patterns, then you could absolutely see your massive gains, I would say sometime in 2024 or end of 2024, with it potentially ending, going into 2025, okay? And then another bear market cycle could take place if the previous patterns continue to repeat themselves. I'm not a huge proponent that these patterns have to repeat themselves or anything like that, but why not? You know what I mean? Why not? Why can't they? So definitely something to look at if you're interested in pattern repetition. Let's see. Yes, I was saying. Well, okay, so it was Old Rounder. Good deal, man. Sometimes I try to remember who exactly says what and everything, but sometimes I may forget. So Old Rounder, good deal, man. You were right on it, too. You were right. The next one could be 1/13/2023 or about there, right? Doesn't have to be the exact same date. But it doesn't lead to a massive rally right afterwards. If history repeats itself the same way, you're still going to have, a year to accumulate, maybe a little over a year to accumulate during that time. I was reading about Bitcoin halving in 2024. I bet when that rolls around will be 8. I don't know when the time frame on that is going to be, Anthony, but it would coincide with a potential start of the rally towards the end of 2024, or end of 2024 there, if you follow the same pattern, right? And you know what? Somebody look up those other dates. I don't know when the Bitcoin halvings have taken place. So look up those other dates, guys, because you may notice that that's why it's a very similar pattern, is because the halvings take place around the exact same time and the rallies take place around the exact same time. So somebody go look at that if you can. Hey, your hydration station is legal back. What? Got your hydration station. And Patrick has our hydration station and our legal back. That he's got our back, man. That's what he was saying. I was like, I got my legal station back. I didn't even know it was gone. Yes, release the Kraken. Do it, man. Do it. Do you think holding ape long is unwise? In your opinion, of course. Peter James, absolutely, man. Everything's my opinion, unless it's somebody else's opinion. Are you talking ape coin or shares of ape, like AMC ape? Because at this point, look, I'm going to be honest with you, dude. Ape is trashed. But ape has all of the same rights as AMC. So I really don't know why I would buy AMC over buying ape. Okay, one day they're going to be the same company anyway. You're going to end up with more votes, more dividend rights if you own ape. So it is, it's interesting to me that people would be buying AMC when they literally get the same equity by buying ape, and it's 1/10 of the price. I don't understand that part. So yes, if you believe in AMC, I would buy ape. I don't necessarily believe in an AMC squeeze with the way things are going and the way Adam Aaron's diluting and all of that stuff, man. It is what it is. But if you believe in AMC as a company, I don't think that ape is necessarily the bad way to go. Libro, changing the long-term retirement portfolio. CSX has been dropped and added in a GLW. Dividend is almost 3x higher with the same options premium for options. Just makes sense. We actually looked at GLW before. Very nice, Frank. Very nice. And the thing I like too, so he's got the option, he's got the dividend income, but Frank is also willing to create options income. I don't know what GLW costs you, so I don't know if you're able to get 100 shares in it for options premiums. But if you're able to sell those covered calls in GLW as well, Frank is potentially creating weekly, and then I don't know the payout, whether it's monthly or quarterly, on your dividends for GLW there. But Frank is literally going to be able to create weekly income. Might not be huge amounts, man. Might not be huge amounts. He might be making like an extra $20 a week or something. But generating weekly income, and he's able to generate these monthly dividends or quarterly dividends as well in his portfolio. So there's a big difference in passively investing and in actively investing as well. So Frank, man, shout out to that. Let us know, Frank. Let the people in here know if you're able to create weekly income with GLW in your long-term retirement portfolio too. Should have a KuCoin gem stream around 6 p.m. Eastern and try it out. Have lots of eyeballs on coins moving. Yeah, you know what? Crypto Greg, that might actually not be a bad idea. I've never tried to... Does KuCoin have a desktop app? Gosh. I don't know if I could do 3... The 6 p.m. stream would be slightly awkward for me with the release of my videos, but that's actually not a bad idea. I don't know if KuCoin has a desktop app. No, they don't, but they've got a web app that you can use here. So we would be able to set something up so that we could check out what's going on with those coins here. If I do decide to do, if I can get the videos done, man, 6 p.m. stream would just be such an awkward time for a stream though. Yeah, so we could get something set up if we did just want to watch, and then people could take place. Like, I'll show you. Let me see if I can grab a couple examples just real quick. Gosh, dude, what was the ticker from? So Cream ran yesterday. Grin also ran too. Let me look up Cream and Grin for you. All right, how do you navigate this app here? All right. What is this? An 8-hour chart. All right, so you'll notice both of these runs right here, with Grin running down here from 8 cents, jumping up, doubling in price, and then going from 9 cents and shooting up here. These are 8-hour charts, so I want to pull out and see if I can get a 5-minute. And Grin's doing not too much at all right now in the 5-minute chart. But this is, I believe, last night, okay? And you can see, so this is the type of stuff that you need to keep an eye out for. This is a 5-minute chart here, and I've watched this happen every night around 6 p.m. And it's not just Grin, right? It's multiple different coins that you can check out. So you can see that the volume doesn't look too bad right here, and because you don't have anything high to compare it to. But as soon as it starts to run, okay, as soon as it starts to run about sometime between 6 and 7 p.m. here, you start to see these huge volume spikes, right? And it starts to jump up big time. You're talking maybe a 2-3x increase. This is going from, gosh, I don't even know, 1,000 to 2.4. Like, volume's doubling here. Begins to run. So even if you jumped in this area right here where it had a nice little rally and began to break out and you get in at 14 cents, you ran this one up to 18.25 cents. This is what I was watching last night. So it wasn't a huge rally last night, but come on. Very similar action in this time frame right here. Extremely subdued pricing. No volume at all. And then we get hit. Okay? Out of nowhere. Boom! Man. Going from 9 cents. Jumping up on a massive volume spike. You can see it happening here. 9 cents. Stagnation. Jumps up to 13 on the next 5-minute candle. You might think it's too late because it's already jumping back down. But the volume stays elevated. And it shoots all the way up to 28 cents. On this elevated volume, same time period, right? Still, between that 6 and 7 p.m. hour. And then over the course of the next day, begins to drop back down in value. So this is the stuff that you should watch out for if you can notice anything that's going on here. SRBP, I think. Let me see, is this 10 cents? Yeah, 9 cents here. Very similar action here. All right, it's loading. Let it load. Skystonify! Thank you very much, Skystonify, for the mustache. Thank you very much. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you very much, Skystonify, for the mustache, man. Absolutely love it. Cream did go up. I think Cream went from... I have to look at it in a second here, but I think it went from $6 to like $25. Back down to like $9 to $11, and then last night ran to $22 again. I was watching Cream run to $22 last night, so doubled in value again. But last night was not in the 7 o'clock hour. Cream was slightly later for the 7 o'clock hour. Hero, what do you think about Chronotech? Look at it in 2 seconds after I say no more upper lip. We got that mustache coming. We got one for Tim. Tim's probably not in here right now, but Moji, thank you very much for the Thank you very much for the king cow, Tim. Moji, man, loving it right now. You can clip that one and send it to Tim if you want, because I don't know if he's in here till the afternoon stream. Yes, AMC Trapper's like, what the heck's going on? That is King Bull, baby. That is King Bull. Absolutely loving it, man. KuCoin is easy to trade on desktop and app, has lots of 10x possibilities too. Yeah, Crypto Greg, man. So that's what we're trying to look at here. See if there's any patterns between these gains here. So if we're looking at SRBP, it also rallied. I got to figure out where we are here on this chart. It is also rallied a few times. If you look at the daily chart, I got to see where we're at here. Boom, shooting up from 9 cents to 20 cents. And actually moving on to the next day there, going all the way up to 26 cents. Going from 6 cents to 17 cents. And over the same, basically time period, going from 7 cents, I watched it last night, go up to about 13.5 cents. So action in there as well. Cream happened last night, so let's take a look at Cream really quick. Cream is currently at $14 right now, and you can see that they've been hitting this one pretty hard too. Cream a couple days ago ran during that 6 o'clock time frame from roughly $8, $9, $6 before if you were getting in down at these lows. But $8, $9 when it started to run, ran up very quickly to $25 per coin. And it's spiked frequently since then. So there's a lot of these coins, guys, and they happen on massive volume spikes. So if you guys got some time in the evenings, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern time, you will notice it'll just jump up on the top gainers page, and you'll notice a volume spike. See if you can put any patterns together to see why that's happening, or if there's, not necessarily why it's happening, but when it's happening, and if you can recognize anything. Moji! Thank you this is a good banana, Moji. You take that banana, AMC Trapper, you better be watching, man. You take that banana, you peel that banana, you lick that banana, and you stick that banana. Eye contact the entire time. Moji, dude, thank you very much for the banana. Absolutely loving it. And we know Trapper is too, man. Waiting for my coffee. Stonify, man. You gotta get that coffee, dude. Don't be a zombie, man. Don't be a zombie. Let's go back out here and see what Mask is doing. 390 or lower. Let's go. Back up to 401. Darn it, man. Starting to run again. That is not good. We want it to go down because we are shorting it. So we do want it to go down there. But it seems to be moving up right now. Let's go back out and look at Weeble. See what we got going on over here. Let's see. Been a while since double digits would be nice. AMC hit $10 today. It can hit $10 today. It did not hit $10 today. AMC tapped $8, I think $8.97 today, before coming back down. If it does break this, let's see where we are on a daily. Gosh, we got a lot of lines on here. My goodness. So it can. If it breaks this little level of resistance that it tested today, at this like $8, $9 mark, if it breaks through that, it will have some resistance in the $10 area. So it could touch $10 today if it breaks this line. You'll need another attempt though, because it touched it here and came back down to this little level of support that you got at 825. So, man, that was a nice just 5-minute run there, taking off and going up. So the good news is, yeah, if it does break this $9 mark, there's a very good chance that we could see $10 as well, running up to the next level of resistance, which is what I would like. But we're going to see how it plays out, man, because it's already got a very nice gain with a 15+% gain today. So we'll have to see if those gains are sustainable or not. Outdoor Smile! Thank you very much for the... Thank you very much for the King Elephant, man. Oh my god. Here you go, Sky. Here's some coffee. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the authorized hydration. Sky Stonify, this is for you, man. Feels good, Sky. Feels good, man. Can't wait till you get your coffee, because I just got mine. Pat, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Outdoor Smile, you as well, man. Alpaca happened to on KuCoin. Alpaca was not one that I was watching, so I did not see Alpaca move. But, yeah, dude, there's got to be some sort of a correlation between these things with these little KuCoin coins running there. We'll figure it out. We could be just obsessively rich if we could figure out when these guys are throwing these coins higher in price. Gary, take a 2-hour lunch then. Gary, do it, man. I didn't see what you're saying, but do it, Gary. Emma-D, good morning to you. How you doing, Emma-D? Is KuCoin worth checking out? Oh, hey, King Mamba, it's at least worth checking out so you can see what's moving and stuff like that. So, yeah, I would check it out. Let's see. Hey, Outdoor Smile. MD, Outdoor Smile. Yes, man. MD, how you doing today? Hopefully you're having a great day. Bitcoin does seem to be turning back around a little bit right now, and as it starts to fall, I would imagine that some of these other coins are going to start falling as well. Dogecoin, yep, ticking down a little bit. Shiba is sitting sideways with no volume, and Ethereum also ticking down a little bit there. So, dude, there's such a heavy correlation to Bitcoin. It is crazy, the correlation that the overall cryptocurrency market has to the price of Bitcoin. I mean, absolutely incredible that everything follows Bitcoin almost to a T, man. It's a little strange, actually. Yo, y'all, cuz bringing that big old trunk. You better believe it, man. You just believe it. Fake out bear market rally. Gary, I think so, man. AMC pump and dump. Hardly any news worthy of a 16% rise. Boom, baby. Crypto Rocketeer. Yeah, I got no news worthy of a 16% rise. The only thing that I may think is this is kind of like a delayed reaction to yesterday's 4% increase in the NASDAQ. So yesterday, the NASDAQ performed extremely well, and AMC did not perform extremely well. So we got a one-day difference in the spike here. Yesterday, AMC ended lower, but the NASDAQ on the daily had a very nice gain yesterday. So, I mean, it doesn't, listen, I would never, like, write an article or justify myself in saying this, but this is most likely why AMC is running today, is because yesterday's gains in the NASDAQ just didn't translate yesterday into gains in the AMC. I don't know why it would be delayed like that, but that's the best thing that I could think of. You know, not seeing any real news that would be driving AMC up 16, 17, 20% today when it was up at $9 earlier. So, could be. I could be completely full of it. Who the heck knows? Just the first place my mind goes was right there. Let's see. AMC pump, but no dump yet. We're going to have to see if these gains sustain, man. We'll have to see if they sustain. All I got to say is, boom. That just happened. It did just happen, man. My Rumble teammate, King Mamba. Emidy's your Rumble teammate, or who's your Rumble teammate? Anyone seen Pika? I've not seen Pika in a little while. Pika, I don't know if you're listening right now, but Pika's been taking a little bit of a break from live streams and Discords during work hours. So I don't know if she's listening right now or not, but Pika, shout out to you if you are. Only news was discussing heavy debt. That's not good news. So yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, that's not a reason for a 16% increase. BTY, hit the darn like button. Yes, guys, hit the darn like button, please. Please hit the darn like button. I haven't seen Pika or heard from her in a couple of days. Yeah, me neither. No, I know she's busy with work, so hopefully she's all good there. Pika said hi to me 2 days ago. Crypto Rocketeer. Nice, man. Well, then it must have been 2 days ago that she said hi to all of us. Crypto Rocketeer. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, man. I like it when you're in here. Just to let you know. I like it when you're in here, man. You're like an OG. You need to be in here. Of course, if you can be in here, right? You need to be in here. Let's see what we had here. Jumping up is not what I like to see. I want to see it go back down. Guys, Mask Network. I don't know. It's going back up now. Back up to the area almost where I was shorting it at. It's sitting at 404 right now. And it was down to like 385 earlier. This is... It's very impressive. If you're looking at this monthly gain here, it's very impressive. It ran up and then dumped off, yes. But look at this strength over like the last 2 weeks. Just gain, little level, gain, little level, gain, little level, gain, little level. It just seems to be showing some impressive strength. And I understand that, it's got a heavy correlation to what Elon Musk is doing with Twitter. But it's actually performing better than Dogecoin is. And we don't really have much news about Mask Network being used with Twitter. Like, there's not a ton of news and speculation out there. So I don't know if these gains are necessarily sustainable, especially seeing where this coin's been for the longest time during this bear market. People just getting very excited about this Twitter integration. So be careful if you guys are thinking about playing it either to the upside or to the downside, since we've been talking about it. Obviously, it's got room for potential. It's got a lot of potential to grow and go up in value. But I don't know if these gains are sustainable based on the Elon Musk speculation that's out there. Patrick, a little drink for Queen Pika, who could not be here. Absolutely. Queen Pika, who could not be here right now. We got one for you. It was delicious, Pika. It was delicious. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. And a little bit of authorized hydration for Queen Pika. Hey, bro, did I miss... Oh, no, I did not look at Chronotech. You didn't miss it, man. That was me. That was me who forgot. Is it this one? Is it this one right here? 71 bucks, chrono.tech. Ticker symbol TIME, T-I-M-E. Wow, down 20% today. Where we at? Ooh, all right. So this one has a lot of volatility. This coin's been out for a very long time, 2017. Man, the beginning of 2022 here, running. This coin was $3 and ran up to $400 at the beginning of 2022. Since then, sold off drastically down to 21 bucks and has seen several spikes since. I don't know anything about what these guys do. I don't know if we're ever going to know anything about what these guys do. But a $50 million market cap, still a very small market cap with some very large gains, dude. And the fact that it's been out for a very long time is encouraging as well. Man, wouldn't it be nice if the bear market brought it back down to $1 and you could add in? And then it did spike up similar to what it did in 2022 there? Man. I don't know why the website's not loading. Oh, there it is. Well, it's been around for a very long time. I do not know exactly what they do. Kind of like HR and like recruiting services for companies. I really don't know what their utility is with just like looking at it on here. Fintech company focusing on HR solutions for business, man. It's interesting. They get 30 employees. $50 million business right here, man. I don't know. Could be something, but it's a very, very volatile price. And you're seeing that today with the price going from, my goodness, 150 bucks down to $70 over the last couple of days. Some heavy discounts there. Appreciate it, Clay. I do have you in the background a lot of these days. Boom! Crypto Racketeer. We're dabbing on them every day, man. I like it, dude. Let's see. Pat, I agree with you. Me too, man. I typically do agree with Pat. Anybody holding Ryoshi Vision? Nope, I'm not. I had some on liquidity pool on Shiba Swap. Pulled it off, debating on hold. They're supposed to link with some music project. So, Anthony, I do not have any Ryoshi Vision. I know that they had a lot of problems with the burn pool rewards. But I have no idea what they will be doing in terms of projects or liquidity or anything like that. So, they could be linking with some music product, man, but I have no idea. Let's see. Are we on Mask now? No. I'm not bullish on Mask, actually. I was shorting Mask, which I'm probably right around, up slightly. No, right around break even right now. So, right around break even right now. I don't know if I'll stay in that trade or not after the stream. I might just get out of it. because it does seem to be moving up high. It does seem to be, you know, showing a lot of strength with a spike up, kind of a steady off, a spike up, kind of a steady off. So I was doing pretty well getting in here, shorting it for a minute. It was unable to break this support level, bouncing back up now. And so might end up getting out of this one when the stream's over if it doesn't look like it's curling back over. But no, I still like Raven coin in terms of being a Raven coin whale, man. Raven sitting on 2.2 cents right now. I'm telling you, man, Raven comes back down to that 1 penny mark. Raven is going to be looking delicious. Raven's going to be looking delicious in that area. Equilibrio. If that 50% passes, we might as well dump all of our Bearded Dad Beard Company. If that 50% passes, dude, it's obvious where the attention's at and where the priorities are. They're not in burning. They're just in like a quick money grab, you know? So I don't know, man. I do not like I can't recommend everybody dump their coins and all that stuff, but I do not like the idea of sending 50% of all the burns to the community pool instead of burning them. That's to me, that's crazy. Let's see. They just put a yeah. So Outdoor Smile, man. Right now, all like 10% of all of the burns go to the community pool. They remint it and send 10% over to the community pool. The proposal that they put out this morning takes 50% of the burns and sends them to the community pool. So today, for example, Binance burned almost 1.2. It's like 1.189 or 1.186 or something. Almost $1.2 million. They would take $500 million, $600 million. Sorry, $600,000. Crazy. $600,000 and send it to the community pool every month based on the Binance burns, and send it to the community pool instead of burning it, dude. Just cutting the burns in half and lining their pockets with it. Somebody who's smarter than me should research the wallet addresses on those spikes in the small coins, see if there's a correlation. Yeah, Lonnie, that's actually a really good idea too, man. Somebody needs to be doing something because, in all honesty, if we can figure that out, there's a lot of money to be made there just jumping in on these heists. Coming in, getting out, and dude, even if you can sit there and even if you're very conservative on it, you see it happening, you get in, you hit a 10-20% gain. If you could just do that on a daily basis, and some of those spike up like 10x in value. So, you know, get in, hit a 10-20x gain or 10-20% gain. Sometimes you might get lucky, double, triple, quadruple your money. I mean, it's just like, somebody's got to be. Rob the robbers, you know what I mean? Like, go in there and just do it with them. It's crazy. Shiba's a joke. JK, I'm all excited for the pump. Nice, Crypto Shady. Let's say a big movie release makes $1 billion at the box office. Do you know how much of that $1 billion is liquid? It could be used for AMC debt. I do not, man. Peter James, I don't know the numbers that AMC would walk away with. Sky, sending so much positivity for a healthy and happy new addition to your family. May your wives delivery be safe and swift. Sky said, I need a blessing from all the bros. We have another family member coming soon. My wife is pregnant, but it's still early. So send some absolutely, Sky Stonify, man. Very nice, dude. Very nice. Congratulations. So I'm gonna assume. Is this your first kid, or is this more than one kid there? You know, I have another family member coming soon. So I didn't know if that means you get more than one or not. But congratulations, Sky Stonify. Absolutely awesome, man. We're adding more to the bros here every year. Fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Gary, words to live by, man. I agree with you. Heck yeah. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on him as always. Pat, super chat with the super chat from Pat. And not a heist, nor financial advice. My boy's got the disclaimer out there. My boy's got the disclaimer. Pat's got my back. Thank you very much. Pat's throwing the disclaimers out there. It is not a heist, nor financial advice. I like it, Pat. Always looking out, man. Let's get started. Let's do it, man. GameStop could get insane. Congratulations, Sky. Heck yeah, guys. I don't know how it's 1 o'clock already, but it is 1 o'clock already. We're going to get off here for now. Get your names in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back a little bit later. Glad to see 76 of you guys in here. Please come back for the afternoon stream. Numbers are up a little bit from what they have been. Maybe YouTube's not hiding me anymore. So thank you guys all for being in here. Appreciate that. Come back in the afternoon stream. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do the shout-outs and had a great morning session with you guys. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on them as always. Gary, see you later. AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. We've got D's in here. See you later, D's. AMC Trapper, Ronald, Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Paul, Angel, see you later. Crypto Rocketeer, Sky Stonify, D's. Crypto Rocketeer, Roulette Wheel, King Mamba, Outdoor Smile, 1776, Gary, Rich, Gary, SD. See you later. Thanks for the great show. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, Mellow Yellow, see you later. T Plays, Old Rounder, Patrick, Uncle Clay, maybe Sky Fund right there. Yes, man. I love being Uncle Clay. Thank you very much, Patrick. Sky, congratulations to you, dude. We get the Uncle Clay fund coming right up. Another bro added to the family. Emma D, see you later. Ronald, see you later. Anthony, J Bones, Paul, Crypto, Shady, see you later. Bill Ferguson, man. Enjoy your day. Outdoor Smile. We got King Mamba, Frank, Gary, Kevin. Adios, my friend. And Wana. Adios, my Wana. If you are in here, have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you guys very much. You know what time it is, so you want to say it with me. Say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.